Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling a big topic that's flooded with misinformation: weight loss myths. Get ready to separate fact from fiction and empower yourself with the truth. If you're ready to smash those myths, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Myth number 1. Carbs are the enemy. The idea that carbs are the enemy when it comes to weight loss. Let's break down the truth behind this myth. While some carbs can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess, not all carbs are bad. In fact, our bodies need carbohydrates for energy. The key is choosing complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients and keep us feeling satisfied. Myth number 2. Skipping meals leads to weight loss. The belief that skipping meals is an effective way to lose weight. Many think that by skipping meals, they're reducing their calorie intake. But it often backfires. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating later. Instead, focus on balanced, regular meals to keep your metabolism revved up. Number 3. Only cardio burns fat. Now, let's tackle myth number 3. The misconception that only cardio can help you burn fat. While cardio is great for cardiovascular health, incorporating strength training is equally important. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Number 4. Eating late at night causes weight gain. Myth number 4. The notion that eating late at night directly leads to weight gain. It's not about the time you eat but the quality and quantity of the food. Your body doesn't have an internal clock that suddenly stores more calories after a certain hour. Focus on mindful eating and choose nutrient-dense snacks if you're hungry. Number 5. No snacking allowed. Myth number 5. Snacking spells disaster for weight loss. False. Snacking can actually curb hunger and keep you on track. Pick healthy options like nuts or fruits to keep those cravings in check. Number 6. All fats are bad. Myth number 6. The idea that all fats are bad. This one needs clearing up. Fats are actually essential for our bodies to function properly. But it's crucial to distinguish between healthy and unhealthy fats. When it comes to weight loss, incorporating good fats can be a game changer. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These provide monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that support heart health and help control hunger. Remember, moderation is key. While these fats have benefits, they're calorie-dense. Balance is the name of the game. So, don't shun fats entirely. Opt for the good ones that fuel your body and aid your wellness journey. Number 7. You need extreme diets for results. Myth number 7. Extreme diets are the only way to win. Nope. Gradual changes beat extreme diets anytime. Make sustainable shifts to your eating habits for lasting results. Number 8. Weight loss supplements guarantee success. Myth number 8. The wonder of weight loss supplements. Spoiler alert, they're not magic. While some help, they're no replacement for a balanced lifestyle. Always consult a pro before trying them. Number 9. Drastically cutting calories is effective. Myth number 9. Slashing calories drastically is a shortcut. Not quite. Extreme calorie cuts can harm more than help. Aim for a moderate, achievable approach that supports your well-being. Number 10. You can spot reduce fat. Last up, myth number 10. Spot reducing fat. Nope. Doing sit-ups won't give you a flat belly alone. Focus on full body workouts and remember, patience and consistency are key. There you have it, folks. 10 weight loss myths busted wide open. If this debunking session sparked a light bulb moment, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay committed to your wellness journey. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep debunking and keep thriving.